Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your scanner is not working on your Windows 11 computer after updating your Windows 11 to version 24H2. Now to fix it, uh, first of all uninstall the current Xerox driver. So for this you can type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel and then click on uninstall a program. Now over here find the Xerox driver. So everything related to Xerox driver and Visioneer driver, uninstall it. Now after you uninstall it, restart your computer. After the system restart, go to Xerox website. So you can go to the website. In Google you can type in the name of the scanner and then you can go to the official website. Once you go to the website, on this website now once you go to the website, scroll down and then click on drivers and manuals. Now once you go to drivers and manuals, over here under Visioneer update, over here you can see driver for Windows 11. Now Windows 11, 10 or 8 or 7. Over here you can see the file which starts with xdcs. So you have to install this file. So click on it, and once you click on it, you can run this exe file. Just install it. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Just follow the on-screen instruction and install it. Now after you install it, next you have to just follow the installer and make sure that you select One Touch software and drivers from the list. Once this is done, you can go to here. You can see Visioneer update for Windows. So click on it and then you can run this file and just follow the on-screen instruction. Make sure that your device is connected now. In my case, it is not connected, so I will not be able to show you the complete thing. So make sure that you select your device over here and then you can proceed, and then you have to make sure that you select One Touch software and drivers from the list and then let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, now you can check the scanner should start working. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. If that does not work, you can just restart your computer once and then you can check. Still not working, in that case you can perform a system restore. So you can type in system restore. If that does not work, this should help you. Next step, if that does not work, then you can type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point and then click on system restore and then you can choose a different restore point, click on next, and you can select the date and time on which date the scanner was working fine. Suppose you started facing the problem with the scanner today, so you can select the date and time for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. This is just an example. So select the date on which date the scanner was working fine, and then you can click on next and then let the system restore complete. This process will take some time and then you can log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the scanner working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.